Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome to the Cat Scrappiness YouTube channel. So today we're going to be using the new popcorn box shaker craft dies, and so here are all the dies. I think they are all great. Look at all those popcorn pieces and you get a sentiment that says popcorn. So wonderful. And I'm going to be using a beer die, and I put it together using some faux glitter paper. And I'm ink blending the mug so it looks kind of like a frosty mug. I'm not sure I succeeded, but I thought it was fun, and I used the speckled egg distress oxide ink for that. And so I am going to be ink blending my popcorn pieces. I cut them out of white cardstock, and I'm using the spiced marmalade distress oxide ink with my glitter brushes today that I'm ink blending with. And I will have everything listed in the details with my links as well. And so I thought it was really fun to try cheesy popcorn. Last project I did butter, so I had used I believe mustard seed for the butter, so this is cheesy popcorn, and so great. And my third project is a little different but fun, more ink blending. I love to ink blend. It's fast and fun and easy, and so my theme for this card was cheesy popcorn and beer, although you don't have to do beer. You can do Cat Scrappiness has a like a mason jar, so you can add lemonade or anything that you would like. So I was going to use this blue faux glitter paper for those lines that you put, or those, what are they, stripes that you put on the popcorn box, but I decided to do those in white, and I'm going to cut this piece out of the blue glitter paper. And so there's the white there, and so I am going to be ink blending this A2 Cubert quilt stencil, and I had already cut out the A2 Cubert quilt die out of white cardstock, and it has the lines so that you can just lay your stencil over it, and it's real easy to ink blend it, and it's really beautiful after you're done. So again, I'm using that speckled egg, and here it is, and isn't it great? I just love it. Those are my two favorite pieces, and I hope Cat Scrappiness comes out with more like that. It's really easy to match it to your project, so that's what I love about it, and I love the stitching so much. So next I am putting my popcorn box together, and I will be adding my cheesy popcorn, and it is easy to put your cheesy popcorn. It should have a white border once you put it together, and if you didn't put it together, you can add your popcorn anyway. You can even cut those border strips and just apply a bunch of pieces to it. So it's super fun, and I wanted to show you a different way to use this die set, so in case you didn't want to make a shaker card, because I know some people don't enjoy shaker making them. They love to receive them, but to make them takes a little more time. But here is another fun way to use this die, and I love popcorn. My family loves popcorn, so I thought it was fun to work with. And I love that you get that popcorn word with it as well, and the ovals. I love the small ovals, so a lot of great pieces. And Cat Scrappiness always puts a lot of pieces, like the kissing booth die, that one has a lot of pieces in it as well. So I suggest checking out the website for the standalone dies because you get so much in there. And for that A2 Cubert quilt die-in stencil, that's amazing as well. Okay, so finishing up, and I do have a few more pieces in my triangle tray there, and I will be adding some more ink blending. I wanted it to look really cheesy. And I will be using the new embellishment that's dimensional and it's cheesy popcorn, so that is why I had to do that cheesy popcorn. So isn't that sentiment great? I cut out the large oval with black foam, and I cut out the word in black foam as well, and then I added the blue faux glitter on top. So it has a lot of dimension there. And so I thought that was really fun. And you do get 3 of those stripes for your box, but I only used 2. And then so here are the last 2 popcorns or kernels. How should I say them? Popped kernels, maybe. So just gluing them, and then I will be gluing my box to my stenciled background. And so next I will be adding my beer as well. I'm thinking this would be a great, could be for anyone, I believe. I just love those colors together. And a lot of us love popcorn, so. And so I'll glue those together, and then I will add my embellishments. So this is a really fun card, and I just loved it. And the yellow glitter that I used is from the Autumn Faux Glitter 6x6 paper pack. And I will add a sentiment. It's from the Simple Sentiments Simple Sentiments with the coordinating die, and I'm gluing my panel to a Craft A2 card base, which is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then my embellishments, I'll add my sentiment with foam tape, and then I will add 3 of those popcorns, I believe. And so best wishes. So I think it's great for a birthday card or anytime card. And I just put it in a wonky way for fun. And I will add my 3 embellishments, and that finishes my card. So I hope you liked it. I had so much fun making it, and I definitely will be making some more cards using the new popcorn box shaker craft dies. And be sure and make sure you're subscribed to the KS newsletter. There's always lots of news going on. And I will be sharing a close-up of my card. And so thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day. I'm just making sure my popcorn stays on, so make sure you use lots of glue. And I will be back soon.